So this is my Honda Navi, and today I'm going to take a small ride around my house. Let's see what this bike can do. It's a small bike. So let's start. Well, the bike is smooth. It's actually very smooth. Uh, you can compare it with Honda Activa, but this bike is much faster than Honda Activa, maybe because the bike is lighter than Honda Activa. I have no idea about the mileage till now. I have not tried to remove the mileage. Though my family has been using, they are trying this bike. They have used it around 350 kilometers, and I'm going to start riding it today. Well, it was raining throughout the day, so this area is a little wet. Since morning, the rains have stopped. By the way, I live in Kandivali area in Mumbai, and well, this area is comparatively much better than if you ride a motorbike on highways. The roads are much better. The condition of the road is really good. So I will not be talking anything about the suspension, but yes, the bike is fast. Compared to its size, it's like a little monster. As soon as you give a little throttle, and you'll see it jumps out, but then it only can run up to 60-70 kilometers, and then that's all it can give you. uh, I have not given the bike for first servicing, so it's yet on running, and I have taken the bike up to 60 kilometers, which I shouldn't have, but to give it a try, why not? Now I am a person who rides bikes with gear, so I'm having slight difficulty because now see, here I wanted to brake, but what I did is I tried to put the foot on the brake pedal where actually there is no brake pedal. The bike, the brakes provided for this bike are good enough for this bike. It's you don't need disc brake, you don't need a really powerful brakes, but the bike itself is not so heavy, so you can control the bike very easily. Now, as far as the performance is concerned, I told you I have not removed the mileage, but the bike is fast. That is for sure. Lightweight, and the looks are really nice. I have the white color one with the orange accessories. I'm waiting for my leg guard and underguard that my dealer does not have. They don't have that right now. They say they have ordered it, but they haven't got it till now. So as soon as they get it, I will get it, and then I'll show you how exactly the bike look with complete package, except the luggage guard. Sorry, except the luggage, because the luggage box is not been provided by Honda till now. I have sent them mails. I have called them. They said to wait till October, November. Let's see. Once I get it, I will show you. The brakes are good, the performance is good. No idea about the mileage. The bike is peppy, small, powerful little monster. It is a wonder pack compared to Activa. I also have an Activa. This, I would any day take this bike instead of Activa, other than when I want to buy a lot of goods and carry it along with me. This bike is a lovely package. So anyone who wants to buy a Activa, which would cost you around 60, 70,000, 70,000 plus, I'd rather recommend why not go for this bike. This is a bike where people give it stare. They like to see this bike. They wait and watch. Sometimes they even stop and ask you, which bike is this? What kind of bike is this? And yeah, if you like that kind of limelight, why not go for this bike? So, to cut the topic short, I am loving this bike. And as far as the specifications are concerned, I would not bother you with that. Go on the website, just check it. And if you like the bike, why not go ahead and buy it? But make sure if you have another bike, a bigger bike, then you go for it because it has a very small tank. So I've come back. I had a good ride. Now If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please put some comments. And if you subscribe it, I will be adding more videos to it. So let's see how does it go. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.